I'm going to be teaching you how to divide decimals by decimals. So you're going to be doing a problem similar to this, where we have a decimal in the divisor and a decimal in the dividend. Now there are some specific rules when dividing decimals by decimals. In fact, these rules are so serious that they're known as commandments. And the very first commandment I'm going to teach you when dividing decimals by decimals is the commandment, there shall not be any decimals in the divisor. What that means then is this little friend right here, that decimal can't be there. So what you have to do is you have to move it. So I'm going to move it 2 place values to the right. So now it is gone, and now we just have 14 there in the divisor. Now, easy peasy, you've met the first commandment. The second commandment is, what thou doest to the outside must be done to the inside. And what that means then is, what we did on the outside, we have to do to the inside. So because we moved our decimal 2 places on the outside, or the divisor, we're going to move our decimal 2 places on the inside, or the dividend. So I move it 2 places, and now our decimal looks the same as what we did on the outside. Easy, right? The third commandment is, bring the decimal straight up. And all that means is this decimal right here, you need to bring it straight up into your answer, and then from there is easy peasy dividing. So we're just going with 14 into 3,318, right? How many times can, well, first of all, can 14 go into 3? No. So we're going to leave that blank. Can 14 go into 33? Yes. How many times? Twice. 2 times 14 is 28. We subtract. I'm going to have to borrow right there. 13 minus 8 is 5. Bring down the 1. How many times can 14 go into 51? Ugh, that one gets a little more tricky. I might try, let's see, 2 is 28. I might here on the side do a 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 4, 1, 56. So 4 was too big because it was 56, and we need something smaller than 51. So I'm pretty sure that 3 is going to work. So I'm going to put a 3 above that 1. 4 times 3, oops, I did. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. Subtract that, and I'm going to borrow, regroup, and I'm going to get 9. Now, bring down my last number, 98. And I've got to think again. If I times it by 4, I got 56. So let's try 7. 4 times 7 is 28. 7, 8, 9. Ooh, 98. That's when you know you got the golden ticket. So I'm going to put 4 here. No, 7. I already know that 7 times 14 is 98. So I'm going to bring that over here.
Mom?
And I'm going to subtract, and I get a 0. No remainder. We will learn later what to do if we do get a remainder. But for now, that is all we need to know. That 1400ths into 33 and 1800ths is 237. Just remember the commandments and when you divide decimals by decimals.
Who are you
See you later.
talking to?
My video.